Today in the shop we're going to be making a pen with copper hardware, and the wood is Spalted Bodark. From what I understand, spalted means it has some sort of mold that grows in it and it makes it very pretty. That's the dark parts in this wood you see right here. Once the holes are drilled and the brass inserts are glued in, you can put it on the lathe, secure it onto your mandrel, and get to shaping. I thought this wood color was cool, and I figured up towards the fingers I'd put 2 little notches for grip. After that, I sanded it off camera a little bit more and hit it with Mylan's friction compound. This stuff makes wood look perfect. After I got it polished, I took it to the pen press and assembled it. If you like this content and want to see more, like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.